Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Shalu. Friends, this is my first video and friends, I am learning English. So I will show you how I am practicing. Friends, last few months I was thinking that I should learn the language because I like English, but I am not able to speak English, and I kept on watching the others video that how I should learn and what to do, and but no use. I came to realize that until you don't do anything, if you don't practice, so there is no use to watch anybody's video. If you watch whole day English channel or videos in English, so there is no use until you don't practice. It happened same to me. I think you also think like this, but there is a no use until you don't practice. So these days I am practicing and I am speaking, and yes, I fumble so much, and I don't know whatever I am speaking, is it right or wrong, but I am speaking because I have fear. Yes, I fear of English. I fear from English. Yes, this is not a monster, but when I am not able to uh, speak so much fluent, I have fear, so I want to remove my fear. That's why I am making videos, and I want your support to learn this language. And please, guys, support me and subscribe my channel, because by doing this, I can learn English very fast by supporting you and advising you. And you can also learn anything, something from my videos if you are a learner starting stage. So please subscribe my channel, and let's talk about the topic. Friends, in this video I will tell you that how I am practicing at home. If you don't have any partner to whom you can conversation talk, so you can also practice alone, no need to any partner. So it not necessary that anyone give you any topic, then you learn. No, if you want to learn, so you can learn alone, like me. I am also practicing alone at home. So you should do one thing only. You take any object from your house and make the sentence on that. I am also doing the same, that here you can take these type of objects, anything whatever you have, you make the sentence on that object. So let's start. Make with me the sentences on it, and let's start. That it is an elephant. It is showpiece, and it is very tiny, and it is color of red, and there are so many colors on his back, and I don't know it is he or it is she. And there are so many colors. There is white color, there is red color, there is green color, and there is blue color also. And on its ear there is white color and so many stripes, and I think it is made of clay, and it is pack of 3 pack of 3. And I brought this this showpiece at 100 rupees. So like this you make the sentence, and it doesn't matter that you have to make so many sentence. No, take 2 or 3 objects and make the sentence, because we are learning stage, so it is enough. And don't think about right or wrong sentence. Make anything, because our motive is speak English. So don't worry about right or wrong. With the passage of the time, we will learn correct English. It is my husband says like this. So because these days I am practicing. Before practicing English, so my husband and anyone say like this, that practice, and whatever you are doing, do in practice, do in English, speak in English. But that time I also thought that how can is possible, but now I am practicing, then I came to know, yes, without practicing, without doing anything, without speaking in English, so we can't learn the language, we cannot learn the language. So yes, I am practicing like this, these type of things. It is very easy method, and it gives me benefit. I think it also give you benefit. Yes friends, subscribe my channel. I will show you how I am learning English, and we will make so many videos for you, for myself, because I also want to learn. And if you learn English, so watch my channel. So thank you, bye bye, see you in next class.